Hi friends, this is 5 YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot by button method in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here, I would like to take a screenshot from Google Chrome page. This is the page where I need a screenshot. Use power button and volume down button together for taking a screenshot. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. See them here and just press them together and screenshot will be taken. Yes, screenshot is taken using button method. Again I show it. So in this way you can easily take a screenshot using button method of your phone Vivo V21e 5G. To locate the captured image, go to Files in your phone and click on Internal Storage, click on DCIM and click on Screenshots folder, and at last you will find the latest screenshot. This is the screenshots that I took using button method. In this way also you can locate the captured image in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.